Let's look at electrician salary in Indonesia. On average, an electrician in Indonesia earns around 4,100 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but after tax, this drops to $3,900. This leaves you with an approximate monthly take-home pay of roughly $325. While that is the nation average, workers in Jakarta bring home noticeably more, with an after-tax income of $4,600. Living in the capital adds up to higher pay, but cost of living in Jakarta is higher too, so your actual savings might not change much. On top of location, experience plays a major role, because entry-level wages start well below the average. Pay goes up quickly during your first few years, though it can plateau if you do not step into supervision. Having a university degree also separates pay levels, even if local jobs do not require one. That same education helps you move into higher-paying positions, like electrical engineer or project manager. On top of that, learning special skills like industrial wiring helps you earn even more money over time.